And I ask myself, there are some people who think that the Luos are visitors in this country. We are Kenyans by right, by force, by choice, na sio tafadhali. Kama ni maendeleo, even as we pay taxes. Maendeleo is not on the basis of votes. In any case, the economy of Kisumu is bigger than the economy of Nyeri, bigger than the economy of Kirinyaga, bigger than the economy of Nyandarua. The people of Kisumu, the people of Homa Bay, we are taxpayers, we are citizens of this country, and when development comes to Homa Bay, we are not taking somebody else's share. That is just our share of taxes that we pay in this republic. Kwa hivyo watafute yao. They let them go and ask for their share. We have not taken anybody's share. In fact, Mr. Speaker, I was very disappointed with that kind of utterance from a member of our House, because it is a kind of perspective that should not come from the Senate. Just recently, the Senate set aside 2 billion Kenya shillings to assist about 11 counties that had low revenue allocation. And I remember those counties. Nyandarua was one of them. Kirinyaga was another one. Nyamira was another one. Tharaka Nithi, Taita Taveta. There were about 12 counties. The Senate ring-fenced 400